When you first got your Tourbillon watch, you'll see a superb red gift box, and the logo is in gold lettering. The inside of the watch box is made of leather with a lychee pattern. Open the box, it's as if the Star Universe has appeared before your eyes. In order not to affect the overall viewing of the watch, a small read-time dial is cleverly designed at 12 o'clock. Middle of the dial is used with blue sandstone, which looks like a starry sky under the light. Let's take off the protective film and take a closer look at the shining Star Universe. 9 o'clock is in the Southern Hemisphere, simulating the rotation of the Earth. 6 o'clock position is equipped with an imported manual tourbillon movement. 3 o'clock position looks like a star, and it will rotate as long as you shake the watch. Crown also has a special design. Back plate is also used of blue sandstone and is inlaid with a ruby. The dark blue crocodile leather strap enhances the sense of luxury. Let's wear it on our hands and see. Business fashion, the vastness of the universe, the sparkling stars, and 160 obu crystals. Have you moved?